This is a window unit AC. I mounted actually in the wall, and it works sort of like a through the wall, so there wasn't very much difference. This whole section with the insides actually pulls out of the housing. Here's the exterior, and I made sure that the vents were clear of any wall. And I also have an awning that covers the window unit, and the price I got on this was around $600. It's a 220 volt or 240 volt. The price on a through the wall was around $700 or $800 for less BTUs. The only foreseeable problem I could have with the window unit being mounted like this is if this unit eventually breaks. I'm not sure if this housing will fit another newer model, whereas a through the wall, I think they standardize it so that you can use another unit for the actual housing. I also used flashing underneath. It's a drip flashing.